This is the tutorial about the type a monster is. Remember, that is found at the top right corner of all monster cards. A monster can be ground, air, or water type. Ground is the most common type in the game. There are certain attacks that hit all monsters on the ground. That's it. You probably thought this was going to be more complicated, but no, not at all. The second most common type is air monsters. There are certain attacks that hit all monsters in the air, and other cards that can't target monsters in the air. Then finally there is water type. Water type was created last and is a bit different. There are moves that hit all monsters on the ground and moves that hit all monsters in the air. There are cards that do double damage to monsters in the air or on the ground. Water monsters are not affected by any of this. There are only a few water monsters because the Monster Farm battle card game was cancelled in Japan before more water monsters were added. That's it. Short one this time. Enjoy the game and share it with friends. Remember to subscribe and comment.